Hello and welcome to another short little video in this series, and what we've got here, in the best tradition of carry-on films, is a huge knob, even though it looks a bit green. So, as well as that, we've got a CP106 thyristor. Behind this jumble of wires here, just so you can't quite see it, there's a transistor. That's a bog standard little 2N3904. And what's happening is, the cathode of the CP106 thyristor is attached directly to a 9-volt supply. There's a resistor here which is attached at one end to the button and the other end to the gate of the thyristor, and the anode of the thyristor goes through this white wire and this blue wire, feeds a 1K resistor there, which in turn feeds the base of the transistor. The collector of the transistor is wired up to the 9-volt supply, and the emitter of the transistor is wired up to the positive input of the buzzer, just as we saw on the diagram. Now, the practical upshot of this is that the buzzer is disabled at the moment. You can see the alarm's working because the LED is flashing, so the PIR is working. And if I did this, there you go, the relay's active, and if I do this now, yeah, it's quite horrible. So the panic button I've made a little bit quieter by using a 1K resistor there and a 1K resistor there. Okay, so you can play about with the resistor values and see what you get. The practical upshot is, if I press the big green button now, and if I keep pressing the big green button, okay, and the only real way to switch this off at the moment is by doing that. I put the cathode wire back in. There we go. Press the big green button again. Now there is another way to switch off thyristors. This mysterious green wire here is actually connected at the other end to the 9-volt supply. And if I set the siren off, well, that's mightily embarrassing. That's better. I didn't put the wire back in properly. If I set the siren off, okay, and I feed 9 volts to the anode end, it causes a reverse current, which causes a thyristor to switch off. And just to prove it still works, and that's it. The panic button successfully installed.